there's yeah, our dog gets he has hernias, so he occasionally gets bound up.
Yeah.
To the point where you have to go in there and poke him
You're
out.
not like a cat, right?
Oh,
do you
yes,
mean?
you are.
You gotta like straighten them out.
I thought only cats did this.
Stop it. Does he really? Oh my god. That's awesome.
I think you should rethink that name. What about Einstein? I'm thinking, what we got? We got.
His name Einstein? You didn't give him the name with the long vowel at the end?
Well, Joe Biden. Paul Anka. What?
Carol Bartz.
Michelle Bachmann.
What happens when it actually gets it?
It ends up on the back of his head.
Oh no, it's not real. It's a good looking dog.